Question 5. Fill in each of the numbered blanks with the correct form of the word given in brackets. Do not copy the passage but write in correct serial order the word or phrase appropriate in the blank space. Total marks 4, 8 blanks, half marks for each correct answer. Write the answers directly but maintain the correct serial order. Look at the example then and take help from the hint provided by the example itself. I slowed the car as I saw the new house. Slowed, saw, past tense, simple past tense. After reading the example, come to the passage and read it twice or thrice to get an idea. Now the answer. I pulled up into the driveway, observing the way they had built up the balcony. Had built. Had, another clue. Past perfect. I pulled, simple past. I pulled up into the driveway, observing the way they had built up the balcony. So when I pulled up into the driveway, I was in the middle of the action of observing the way they had built up the balcony. I forgot that the bricks of the house were chocolate brown. Forgot, past tense. The bricks of the house, bricks, plural number, and therefore I have used were. Now what are these be verbs? Be verbs are am, is, was, were. The new people made the tiny balcony into a study room. Again, made, simple past tense. I stared at this house, remembering my childhood there. When I stared at this house, I was in the middle of the process of remembering my childhood there. Next, prepositions. Question 2, fill in the blanks with appropriate words. 8 blanks, 4 marks, half marks for each correct answer. Please wash off the curry stain from your dress. Wash off, to clean the stain with the help of water and detergent. To remove the stain, wash off. Dhabbe ko mitana, wash off. She turned down the offer to work at the factory. She rejected, she did not accept to work at the factory. उसे फैक्ट्री में काम नहीं करना था, इसीलिए ऑफर को turned down या reject कर दिया. The burglars broke into the house when the family was away. To break into somebody's house, to enter into somebody's house without permission, to steal. जबरदस्ती किसी के घर में परमिशन के बगैर घुसना और चोरी करना, इसी को हम break into कहते हैं prepositions में. I shall compete with him. She agreed. What will be the right answer? Agreed with or agreed to? The right answer is she agreed to my proposal. Always remember, you agree with a person, व्यक्ति से हम agree करते हैं, और agree to an idea, viewpoint और proposal. और किसी viewpoint या proposal और किसी idea पे हम agree to करते हैं. She would like to come on foot, पैदल, walking. The Vishwas group of companies has taken over the cosmetic market completely. Taken over. The group is ruling the market. The group has taken complete control. He agreed to carry out the manager's orders. Manager ने जो orders दिए उसका पालन करना. To carry out, to execute or to obey. Next, joining. Question 3. 4 marks, 4 sentences, 4 multiple choice questions. There will be 4 options. Read the options carefully. Even if you know the answer, read all the options and look at the tense and the use of proper punctuation marks. The delegates arrived. The meeting started immediately. Let's read the options very quickly. No sooner did the delegates arrive than the meeting started. No sooner did the delegates arrive, the meeting started, and there is a comma. No sooner the delegates arrived than the meeting started. The delegates arriving, comma, the meeting started. Whenever you have sentences like this, no sooner did, You will have to put than. No sooner did के साथ हमेशा then होगा. THAN. तो options में look for no sooner did and than. No sooner did the delegates arrive, comma, the meeting started. Option B is not the right answer. Therefore, eliminate it. No sooner the delegates arrived than the meeting started. No sooner के साथ did होगा. अब option C में तो did नहीं है, इसीलिए हम option C को भी eliminate कर देंगे. The delegates arriving, the meeting started. So, automatically eliminated. The right answer is no sooner did the delegates arrive than the meeting started. No sooner did ... than. Next, question 2. We lost our ticket, we lost our luggage. We lose our ticket as well as our luggage. Question में तो lost past tense में है, मगर option A में lose है, present tense. Therefore, automatically once again eliminate the first option. Having lost our ticket, we lost our luggage. टिकट को लूज करने के बाद क्या हमने लगेज खोया? नहीं. इसीलिए due to the change in meaning, we will again eliminate option B. Option C, we lost our ticket as well as our luggage. Option D, we lost our ticket and we lost our luggage. Option D is not the correct answer because we do not use we lost our luggage twice. There is absolutely no need to frame sentences like this. Which one will we choose? Option C is the right answer. We lost our ticket as well as our luggage. Perfect. The next one now. He cultivates orchids. He displays them at the flower show. He cultivates orchids to display at the flower show. He cultivates orchids for displayed at the flower show. He cultivates orchids to play with at the flower show, and he cultivates orchids but displays them only at the flower show. Option C is incorrect. To play. अब ये to play कहाँ से आ गया? Displays है, इसीलिए option C को हम eliminate कर देंगे. After analyzing option D, we will eliminate that as well. He cultivates orchids but displays them. तो ये but यहाँ पे नहीं आएगा. Next, he cultivates orchids for displayed at the flower show. Again, grammatically this is incorrect. So the right answer is he cultivates orchids to display at the flower show. Perfect. Once again. Question 4. He ran away. He had seen the principal coming. Principal को आते देख के वो भाग गया. No sooner did he see the principal coming, comma, he ran away. As discussed a little while ago, we will have to use no sooner did ... than. There is no than in the first option. Automatically analyze it and eliminate the first option. Next, he ran to see the principal coming. Well, did he do that? वो दौड़ के गया principal को देखने के लिए? No, the meaning is getting changed. Therefore, eliminate option B as well. By seeing the principal coming, he ran away. ये भी ठीक नहीं है. But option D, seeing the principal coming, principal को आते देख के he ran away. He, वो दौड़ के भाग गया. Option D, we will choose option D as the correct answer. Analyze, eliminate, choose. The captain said, "It gives me great pleasure to be here this evening." Begin, the captain ... Now you need to know all the rules of direct and indirect speech in order to get such sentences correct. The captain said that it was giving him great pleasure to be there that evening. This is incorrect. And why? The captain said that it was giving. Gives will not become was giving. Therefore, this is not the right answer. The captain said that it gives me great pleasure to be there this evening. Me. Me will turn into him. So, this is also not the right answer. The captain said that it gave him great pleasure to be here this evening. The captain said that it gave him. Him is correct. Great pleasure to be here this evening. This is the problem with this sentence. In direct and indirect speech, here becomes there. मगर यहाँ पे here तो here ही है. This becomes that. This को भी हमने change नहीं किया option C में. तो option C not correct. Next, the last option. The captain said that it gave him great pleasure to be there that evening. The captain said that correct. It gave him correct. To be there correct. That another tick evening. Option D is the correct answer. Next, unless the train arrives on time, we shall miss the concert. Begin if. If the train arrives on time, we shall miss the concert. अगर ट्रेन का अराइवल ठीक टाइम पे हो तो हम कॉन्सर्ट मिस करेंगे. Was this the meaning of the question? No. Eliminate it. If the train does not arrive on time, we shall miss the concert. ट्रेन अगर टाइम पे अराइवल ना करे तो हम कॉन्सर्ट को मिस करेंगे. If the train arrived on time, we shall miss the concert. Again, just like option A, this time arrived is in past tense. This is incorrect. Eliminate it. If the train does not arrive on time, we shall not miss the concert. Are we sitting here to miss the concert? No. Therefore, the right answer is, if the train does not arrive on time, we shall miss the concert. He applied many times. He has never been selected. In spite. Begin. Now, whenever you are using in spite, always use of after in spite. In spite of, and if you are using despite, do not use of. This is the basic rule. In spite of applying many times, he had never been selected. In spite of correct, but this option is not the right answer. Why? Because here had never been, this expression has been used. See the question, has never been selected. Present tense and past tense. Eliminate option A. Option B में in spite of नहीं है. So eliminate it right away. Next, in spite of applying many times, he has never been selected. And option D, in spite never being selected, he has applied many times. Option D में भी in spite of नहीं है. तो C right answer है. In spite of applying many times, comma, he has never been selected. Now, question 4. Very few managers are as honest as James. James एकमात्र honest manager नहीं है. So, what will be the right answer? In degree of comparison of adjectives, you always use very few along with one of the and most other. This is the rule. James is one of the most honest managers and James is more honest than most other managers. This is the basic pattern. Let's read the options very quickly. James is more honest than other managers. No, he is not the only honest manager here. Option A, eliminated. James is more honest than most other managers. Well, let's read the other two options as well. James is honest than many other managers. James is most honest among other managers. Here the right answer is, according to the rule, James is more honest than most other managers. Very few है, very few से हम one of the करते हैं और one of the से हम most other डालते हैं. तो ये है basic pattern. I accept your offer. Use acceptable. Your offer is acceptable to me. Your offer was acceptable to me. Was acceptable past tense में नहीं होगा because question में accept present tense में है. Therefore, eliminate option B. Your offer is acceptable. Where is to me? There is no to me here. They have omitted that unnecessary omission of to me. Therefore, eliminated. Your acceptable offer came to me. This is also not the right answer. The right answer is, your offer is acceptable to me. Now, question 6. As soon as he finishes his work, he starts playing. Begin hardly. Whenever you have sentence beginning with hardly, always use ... when, W-H-E-N, hardly when. Hardly his work is finished, he starts playing. No, not the right answer. Hardly he finishes his work, he starts playing. Again, not the right answer. Hardly he has finished his work and he starts playing. No, not the right answer. The right answer is hardly does he finish his work when he starts playing. My father gave me a pen. A pen, begin. Gave, past tense. A pen had been given to me by my father. Had been given, यहाँ पे नहीं होगा. Simple was given होगा. A pen was given to me by my father. ये वाला correct answer है, पर C and D क्यों wrong है? My father was gave me a pen. Was gave, कभी नहीं. Was given. A pen was given by me to my father. Father ने pen दिया या मैंने father को pen दिया. Meaning is getting changed. The last one. I have never seen Mr. Joe lose his temper. Begin never. Never I have seen Mr. Joe lose his temper. Never did I see Mr. Joe lose his temper. Never have I seen Mr. Joe losing his temper. Never ever did I see Mr. Joe lose his temper. Options B and D are incorrect because the question is not in the past tense. So I will not take never did, never ever did into consideration. I will focus on option A and option C. Never I have seen Mr. Joe lose his temper. Never have I seen Mr. Joe losing his temper. ये दो options more or less same हैं, मगर एक difference है. The rule here is whenever you begin a sentence with negative word never, this causes the subject and the auxiliary verb to invert. Matlab, we will not write never I have. We will always write never have I. Never have I seen. और इन चार options में सिर्फ C में ये वाला pattern fit बैठता है. Never have I seen Mr. Joe losing his temper. Seldom have I met. Rarely have I seen.